Well, we've chosen this venue because we very closely associate ourselves with the guest's fashion sensibility, which is very youthful and translates itself into like very on-trend classic clothing. Well, coming back to Ish, and she's very willing to experiment with new things, as you will see in a cover shoot. So before long, let's unveil the cover and take a look at it.
Yes, definitely. Firstly, thank you all for coming. I was shooting with Grazia for the first time and I was very excited the moment I heard the theme. The theme was actually very close to how I am, how young I am. It was very like fun, grungy, party type. The exact word that Ekta used was Avril Lavigne. So I was most excited because my eyes were dark and I had to wear very painful lenses, but it looked good in the shoot, so I was very happy. The cover was actually beyond my imagination because I never thought that I'd be able to pull off a tight bun look because I always thought my face was very chubby because I was always a chubby chick. But beautifully that Prasad Naik was shooting me and it came on very well, and Subbu was doing makeup. So I'm really thankful to Grazia for having me on the December issue. It's a party issue, so that really symbolizes of who I am and what I should be doing when I'm 19. So thank you, and I hope that I get to work with you all again and again and again. Thank you so much.
Tell us a little bit about your first cover launch that we're doing, I guess, here, a little bit about what you're going through right now.
So many cameras is always nice because so many cameras always take many pictures, and pictures are always a very good part of my profile. So thank you for camera people for being here and taking my pictures. And it's very exciting because I've never single-handedly launched a cover. I've always done it with, you know, my better half, Varun and Siddharth. But this time I'm doing it on myself, so it's exciting. So I'm feeling all big and proud and independent.
Before you leave, may we request you to please autograph our cover for posterity?
Happy.
बॉस थोड़ा पीछे थोड़ा आगे आओ ना मैडम थोड़ा आगे आओ अरे करोड़ों का विजुअल जा रहा है स्टिल राहुल भाई बस बस अरे वहीं बैठा के आल्या एक बार इधर नाही त्याला पण पाहिलं लोक
Grazia magazine with Guess. I think Guess really goes well with Grazia because it's one of the most fashion and the most youngest magazine of the country, and we really thank the Grazia team to take this ahead. And yeah, thank you Mela, thank you Mighty, thank you so much for this association. It's lovely for you all to come at the store. Sir, can I?
Are you sure? You can't hear me.
Please silence.
Firstly, actually, while I was shooting for it, I didn't know what was going to be the cover. So, you know, I wasn't told okay, this is going to be a cover outfit, so I couldn't give it my all only in that. I had to give my all in every shot, which went on for about like 5 hours, 6 hours at least. So it was really lots of fun, as I said. We got to do different looks. The makeup essentially remained the same, the dark eyes, but the looks, the hairstyles kept changing. The accessories kept changing, the outfits kept changing. So it's very interesting because keeping one constant look in just different hairdos is difficult to manage with sometimes, but it was really interesting and I had lots of fun.
Alia, talking about style statement, what will be your style statement and what kind of colors you like, what kind of makeup, light makeup, bright makeup, what is your style statement?
You know, with makeup, it actually depends what you're doing, what time of the day it is. I always believe less is more, but if you're going night, in the night events, I always believe in like accentuating my eyes and making that darker because it gives a, you know, kind of a grungy look, which I like. Style statement, as of now, I don't know. Bright colors depends on the seasons yet again. Like in the winter, I'll probably wear more subdued colors, more of blacks, greys, blues, purples. But in the summer, more white, yellow, orange, pink, all of that. So it depends on seasons.
Is Alia Bhatt and how does the scale out of 5, how much you scale?
Alia Bhatt was not fashion conscious before she met Karan Johar. After meeting Karan Johar, she became fashion conscious.
Since you're on the cover of a fashion magazine, if I had to ask you your biggest asset, your spice quotient and your sex appeal.
My biggest asset? I think my eyes.
Okay.
And I don't think I'm sexy, so I can't say what my sex appeal is. But I'll tell you when you're here later.
Alia, who is your youth icon?
Who's the youth icon?
Yeah.
Male, female?
Male.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Are you getting used to your new stardom now? You're a host, student of the year, cover shoots. Of course, magazines are going to approach you now. So people recognize you on the road.
Yeah, that's lots of fun. I get very excited. In fact, I get more excited meeting people when they recognize me. They're like, they try to remember my name. I'm waiting for them to remember so I can take pictures with them. But it's very exciting. It's not that different. I don't think that's it's really going to get there yet. I'm just one film old. But it's fun. It's exciting when people remember you and they appreciate your work and they say you're very good. You feel happy.
What next? After time not wrong, so I think your upcoming movies will become 2 status, right?
2 states.
No.
Yeah. No?
What next for you?
Nothing has been confirmed yet. No, nothing. I won't. No comments.
Alia, you just said Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
It was being said that your father is going to make the remake of Dil Chahta Hai and
Dil chahta hai, dil hai ki manta hai.
Is it true?
he wanted to cast you opposite Ranbir Kapoor. So what is the status? Are you going to do that film? And can you tell us something about that?
Actually, my sister Pooja just mentioned that if she ever remade Dil Hai Ki Manta Hai, she would want to do it with me and Ranbir, as I just said, is a youth icon. But nothing of that is happening. She just mentioned it. Nothing like that is happening right now.
Alia, is there any US actors in your company when it comes to style? Like Shraddha Kapoor is one of the most stylish actresses in her time. Like, what do you have to say about her?
Yes, definitely. In fact, even today when you meet her, I just met her at the International Marrakesh Film Festival, and she was so classy and she was so stylish, and the poise even to hold that up today, and it's something to learn from, definitely.
Alia, how has life changed for you after Student of the Year? How was it different then and how is it different?
It's not changed really. I'm just very very excited to work more and more after this. Except for the fact that you get recognized a couple of times, and except for the fact that I'm not working with Karan and Balram and Siddharth anymore. That's the only difference. But it just makes me more excited to work even more after seeing the film.
Film Festival, how was it, interacting with international people?
It was a lot of fun actually. Being at the Marrakesh Film Festival just made me feel how lucky I was to be on that podium with so many of the biggest stars of our country. It was a great actually privilege that three of us had to be there because of obviously Karan Johar. We got to meet, we got to see Catherine Deneuve right in front of us, Monica Bellucci sitting right in front of us, the greatest French actor. So it was a great privilege for us to be there, and it was actually very shocking for us to know how famous Bollywood is internationally. I mean, they were all screaming, Karan, we love you, Shah Rukh, everything. They were just going mad. I mean, obviously they are very big internationally, but it was just, we didn't know that our films are so out there, even in Marrakesh, Morocco. So it was lots of fun. It was something that I would love to do again.
Dipti, last question. Dipti.
As we're talking about Student of the Year, this is the end of the year, December month, and awards functions are going to be held now. Are you nervous because you'll be,
Nominated so many awards.
I'm not nervous. I'm excited. Yeah, it's going to be the first few award functions I'm going to be attending. So I'm just excited. Win or don't win, but I'm excited. If I'm nominated, it's okay. Christmas I always spend with my family at home. My mom cooks a traditional Christmas meal with the turkey and the stuffing and the Brussels sprouts and everything.
Just one last question. What's your take on the collection at the guest store?
But the collection of the guests, so I'm actually just going to have a look after this. So I'm going to look around.
It's okay now.
Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy new year, and please don't break your new year resolutions. Be safe. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink at all. I'm under age, so no drinking for underage. Wishing you a very happy Merry Christmas. Hope you get lots of presents, and hope you've been good because Santa's watching.
Thank you तो बोल कम से कम नसीम हाँ सर